Going into 2025, meme coins are still going very strong. There's still opportunities to make millions of dollars from meme coins on Solana, on Ethereum, on Base, etc. And people do tend to think that 2025 is going to be a very good year for crypto. So this might very well continue for a long time. So therefore, it's important that you know the ins and outs of the meme coin market to be able to capitalize on the current opportunities. So I thought I would make a full tutorial on how to get started trading Solana meme coins in 2025 so that you can get involved yourself and not miss out on all the opportunities in the space. So I'm going to cover exactly how to get started, the most important tools, how to get set up from scratch, also talk about some strategy, etc. So if you enjoy the content, smash a like and subscribe to the channel. With that said, let's dive straight into it. So if you're brand new, the first thing you need to do is download Phantom Wallet. This is the most commonly used wallet and by far the best crypto wallet out there. It's essentially just a Chrome extension. So just search up Phantom Wallet and you can see it right here in the Google App Store. So create a Phantom Wallet. Make sure you also obviously write down your seed phrase if you haven't created a Phantom Wallet before. After you've set up your Phantom Wallet, you want to head over to Bullx or NEO Bullx to be more specific, because Bullx is the most popular meme coin trading platform at the moment, and they recently came out with their new NEO version, which is just an upgrade and a revamp of the entire platform. There's hundreds of thousands of people on the waitlist for Bullx, but since I'm an official Bullx partner, you do get to skip the waitlist, get instant access, and get 10% less fees on their platform when you sign up using the link down below. So if you don't have an account, sign up with the link down below and you'll get sent to this site. You'll just need to sign up with your Telegram and then you can log in to their website. And you'll then get a fresh wallet on Bullx. So if I create a new wallet, you'll see this key on the right hand side, and you can't see it on these two wallets because you're only able to download the private keys for the first 2 days after you create a new wallet on Bullx. So right after you get signed up, make sure you download your private keys. You then want to go back into your Phantom Wallet, click on this add wallet button, click on import private key, then just write a name, for example Bullx, and copy paste your private key in here, and you will then have your wallet both in Phantom as well as on Bullx. And what you then want to do is obviously deposit some Solana from any exchange that you prefer. Buy some Solana on an exchange and deposit it into your new Phantom or Bullx wallet, so you have some funds to start trading with. If you're brand new, you don't have an exchange yet or anything, the exchange I personally use and I would recommend is Phemex. Just a very simple and easy exchange to use to buy some Solana and get started. You can even leverage trade on this platform if you're into that. So I will leave the link to Phemex as well down below. Obviously, when you're starting out, don't expect anything crazy. You will most likely lose some money to start out because you're brand new to this and you'll kind of have to learn over time. So only trade with what you can afford to lose at the start when you're kind of just learning the market. Another tip is that when you're starting out, or even when you're more experienced, you probably don't want to be trading by yourself. It's always very beneficial having like a group of people trading together. This can be either in like Discord voice chats where you actually sit and talk to each other as you research different tokens and trade different tokens, or just be in different Telegram groups or Twitter DMs, etc., where you can discuss different trades and get insights from other people. Now, one place to do this is my Telegram. You can join my free Telegram down below and we can discuss some meme coins. I will also be opening up my Discord again. I haven't used Discord in a long time, but I thought it would be quite fun to just chill in the Discord voice chats with some of you guys, trade some meme coins together, see what we can cook up. I probably won't be in there every day, but even if I'm not there, you guys can still hang out in the voice chat and I will jump in some evenings when I have time and we can try to make some money together. So also join my Discord down below. But anyway, if you're brand new, this Bullx website might look pretty intimidating because you don't know what any of this is, but it's actually not that complicated. So Neo Vision, or the home screen, this is where you can see all the new tokens that are being created on Pump Fun, or all the new tokens launching on Solana essentially. So these are the new creations, brand new tokens. These are the ones that are about to graduate from Pump Fun, meaning they're about about to reach the market cap threshold of about like 80-90k when they will migrate over to Radium, get an actual liquidity pool, and become a more established meme coin. And these are the tokens that have already graduated. Now, I would stay away from most of these because most of these are gonna be rugs. If you do want to trade some of these newer high risk, high volatility tokens, I would at least put some filters on. You can put any sorts of filters on that you want. I would probably put a minimum market cap of, for example, 15,000 because they're launching. Because when they launch, they're launching at about $6,000. So you want at least 15,000 to make sure there has been some trades on the token. You also want there to be some volume. I can put like 5,000, for example. You can put minimum holders, max dev holding, etc. But let's just stick with this. If we apply this, you can see that the tokens are a lot more limited. But the good thing with Bullx is that you also easily get to see some key information, like for example, how much the dev is holding, how many snipers there are, how many insider traders there are, how much the top 10 holders are holding. And if we go into a token, this is a token I recently made a trade on, you do also get a few more safety checks to kind of help you understand more of the project. So you can see liquidity burn is less than 50%. If you click on this audit section, you can also see 0% LP burnt. You can see top 10 holders are holding a lot of the tokens, so are insider holders. So these are just things to be careful of. I decided to just make a trade on this because I saw some good information over on Twitter, made a quick 2x, just bought for a small $250, sold it for almost 500. Now this video would be way too long if I went too much into detail on how all of this worked, so I will try my best to be quick to give you a quick understanding of how this platform works. You have your token volume and token information right here. You can obviously buy and sell your tokens for however much you want. You just click the amount you want to buy, click on buy, and you will be buying, or you can sell. You can also put limit orders or DCA into any token. You have different templates when it comes to the slippage. So you can set different slippage settings for different type of tokens you are trading. I, for example, have default, I have low market cap, high volatility tokens, and then I have blue chip tokens. You can also see all the most recent trades. You can see your orders and your positions. You can see the amount of holders and some holder data. Right here, you can see top traders as well as the dev tokens. And then you can see your portfolio right here. I don't really have much at the moment. You also have this multi-chart feature where you can have multiple charts open at the same time. You have your recent positions. You can have up to 10 different charts on this multi-chart terminal. So as you can see, I have 2 charts open at the same time. You can have up to 10, so that is pretty cool. And then you have a wallet tracker allowing you to track different profitable wallets. And make sure to stay tuned because I will actually try this out and make a video trying to copy trade profitable insider and whale wallets for a week with $1,000, seeing how much money I will make or lose. So definitely stay tuned for that. I will show you in detail how I find different profitable wallets in that video. But those are the very basics of how Bullx works and how you can get started. So obviously deposit some money, you can scout different tokens here, but I personally prefer researching different tokens and finding different tokens on either Twitter, in Telegram groups, in Discord groups, in different alpha chats, etc., where you can get some more insider information and kind of research more into these projects. Because the truth is, most of these projects will rug, so you do want to make some well-educated decisions and purchases. Now I do get, if you're brand new, this might still seem a bit confusing, so what I recommend you to do is just deposit a small amount of money, just play around on the platform, get a feel for how things work. Also join my Telegram and my Discord so you can ask questions in there, kind of learn from other people, get some good information on different tokens, etc. And when it comes to the trading strategy you will be using when you're just starting out, you'll kind of have to figure that out yourself because there's so many different areas and different ways you can trade. You can trade brand new pump fund tokens, very, very risky, hard to kind of master. You can trade more established meme coins, which is a bit easier, a bit less risky, and you'll be able to make a bit more well-educated decisions. But try to create a Twitter account, find some good people to follow over on Twitter that share good information. Try to find some good Telegram groups or Discord chats, etc. Find friends to trade with. Once you start making some money, do make sure you take profits actively. For example, in a week, if you started out with 2 Solana and then at the end of the week you have 7 Solana, you just made 5 Solana profit. Try to create a separate wallet where you kind of withdraw some Solana. For example, in that case, take out 3 or 4 Solana into that new separate wallet that you don't touch. Just transfer your profits over there. Never touch that money. Just let it sit there on its own, because if you keep reinvesting all your profits, you will most likely lose it all again. And when trading these meme coins, it's really all about trends. We've obviously had animal tokens absolutely pop off. We've recently had AI tokens, which also seem to be the biggest like current meta. These AI agents absolutely taking over. Tank, for example, is a recent token that I heard of that has been absolutely crushing it, as you can see. But those are the basics of how to get started trading meme coins in 2025 on Solana. If you're brand new, you don't have an exchange yet or anything, the exchange I personally use and I would recommend is Phemex. Just a very simple and easy exchange to use to buy some Solana and get started. You can even leverage trade on this platform if you're into that. So I will leave the link to Phemex as well down below, together with my Telegram, my Discord, my Twitter, my Bullx link, so you get instant access to the NEO platform. And with that said, I hope you learned something in this video. I wish you all the best with your meme coin trading. I hope you all make some good money in 2025. Hopefully we can win together in my Discord, etc. Make sure you like and subscribe for more videos like this. The next video will be kind of a challenge where I try to copy trade insider and whale wallets with $1,000 for a week, seeing how much money I will be able to make. Now, I hope you have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.